Today we're taking a closer look at the manual adjustable towing mirrors in texture black for the 2015 to 2019 F-150s. If you need improved rear visibility for towing or hauling, this pair offers a clean, practical solution with a factory-style look. These mirrors are designed to replicate the OEM appearance while enhancing functionality with their manually extending arms. They go out to a full 20 inches once they're fully extended. They're made from very durable ABS plastic with a texture black finish, and they resist prolonged UV exposure without fading or cracking, and they hold up well against minor impacts and road debris. The manual telescopic extension lets you adjust the mirror outward up to that 20 inches that I mentioned when it's at full extension to help compensate for trailers or wide cargo that require better field of view behind the vehicle. Then they simply retract when they're not in use and they're not needed anymore. Each mirror also includes a manual pivot adjustment for quick angle changes from inside the vehicle. Another nice feature is going to be the dual mirror system, with a full standard mirror up top and a convex mirror on the lower half for a wider field of view and blind spot awareness out on the road. Crafted from lightweight ABS plastic, these mirrors are built to last in those outdoor conditions. They're going to resist warping or fading over time. The high quality mirror gives you a sharp image of what's behind you, and the housing has a sturdy build with a precision fit, which gives you a seamless look and feel that matches your F-150 perfectly. Now, as far as the pricing goes, these come in right in the upper $200 price range. At that price point, you're going to get a competitive and cost-effective towing mirror solution that matches the style and the quality of your F-150 without breaking the bank. The installation is a bolt-on swap, so it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 30 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you're going to need a ratchet, a long 10mm socket, and a clip removal tool. Today we're going to be installing tow mirrors on our F-150. Let's get into it. First things first, you're going to want to take a little plastic pry tool, and we're going to pry back on this piece right here to reveal the bolts. First, we're going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet and loosen these two nuts here. Make sure that when you're loosening them, you don't loosen them all the way because we don't want the mirror to fall off. After you're done loosening these two nuts, you're going to find two bolts back here. They're kind of hard to see. We're going to take those out completely, and remember, you want to make sure these two nuts are loose but not completely off so the mirror doesn't fall out. After that, we can take off this connector right here, make sure that we're supporting the mirror, and then take off these two nuts the rest of the way. Once we have done that, the mirror comes right out like this. Next, we're going to install our mirror. Make sure you have these two silver nuts so we can install the mirror and tighten them down so the mirror doesn't fall back out. Then we're going to take our 10mm socket and our ratchet. We're going to tighten down these two nuts right here, and we're going to tighten these two bolts back here. So before we reinstall this trim panel, I would like to mention that this mirror does not have a connector for this to go into. So I'm just gonna put this little white clip-on down here, tuck the connector in there, and then I'm gonna reinstall this trim piece. After you have successfully installed the mirror, you can complete the same process on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the manual adjustable tow mirrors textured black for a 2015 to 2019 F-150. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.